gonna be able to... Good evening there. I wasn't going to do a unboxing video for this, but it's been a while since I've done one. And it just came in the mail. And my god, this box is just so gorgeous. So this is a figure of Atelier Ryza. Resalin Stout. Just came in the mail today. Had this on pre-order for a couple of months now. Really been looking forward to this one. I haven't played through all of the Ryza games. I haven't really finished any of them actually, but I just love her character design so much for reasons. So this box by itself just wowed me so much already that I just I want to get a little unboxing video, and this is a gorgeous figure, you know, from what I've seen. And yeah, let's open this baby up. Oh man, there's pieces. A lot of pieces. Oh boy, this instructions. That's gonna be a problem for me. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a lot of pieces. Alright. Let's go. Got the base here already, looking highly detailed, looking just gorgeous already to begin with. Figure came already assembled, but apparently I have to take her apart in order to take all the pieces of plastic out. That's fun. Speaking of amazing JRPGs, as I'm recording this, tonight's the night that Legends of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom is coming out. I'm pretty hyped for that. I'm going to be watching the live stream starting at 9:45, where they're going to go over some more mechanics and areas and stuff like that. Got the game preloaded on the Switch, ready to go. Just hyped to death for this game, man. I can't wait to play it. Alright, next. Ball. This spells. Oh, maybe over here. Yeah. Yes. Another one. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at the detail and the vines and the leaves and everything. Good looking wall. You know, so far this isn't like a huge pain in the ass either, where you have to like really like jam the little nubs into the holes. You know, it kind of fitting nicely right in there. I like that very much. What are you sitting on, Ryza? Okay, and this, I see, you just pull up your nice posterior right there. I gotcha. Right, and that's the base sorted. This is gorgeous. Wow, this is really pretty. This is nice. Great. And then Resalin, a little bird friend. Beautiful. I believe that. Okay, there's a little indentation for a foot. So that's nice. You know exactly how to place her on the base. Perfect. Any more pieces I forgot? No, I don't think so. Okay, here we go. Alright, now. And there's the lovely finished product. Resalin Stout. Beautiful figure. Got this from Tokyo Otaku Mode, where I I've gotten the last couple of my figures that I've gotten for the last couple of years or so. Very satisfied with this. Again, just wasn't gonna do a video, but like, you know, I've been excited for this figure. I went on a little bit of a pre-ordering spree a couple of months ago, and this was definitely the one I was most looking forward to. Now it's finally here, and this is actually the last one of a bunch of figures that I ordered. I also got, you know, one of them was also Rinwell here from Tales of Arise. That's another nice one. Anyway, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, then you know, subscribe to the channel, but only if you want to. And we'll see you next time. Have a good one.